Hi, welcome to Mr. Mac Works. So here's another truck I had ran for when I was my early days of working for Highways Department. I ran another Western Star. This is a little more modern than the last one. Very good truck. This was the very first automatic I ever ran at that time. Wasn't very many automatics at that time, and it was a very interesting truck to learn. Had lots of power and such, but I was so used to running manual. Automatically, it was quite the treat to run. And I did lots of construction work, a lot of road building and such. Doing a lot of paving jobs and such. And I mostly ran this dump truck. So yeah, it was a very nice truck, and did lots of work with it. So we have a few more I'll be talking about.